Karena ini nimpai hidroksiani ini dong tarik yang no ini dong hawan kacelong ceng sikelong ceng United Metals North Kecamatan District Laso kacelong ceng nani katalon along nang cetong don ilalung kaceng honai ilatung along liatung cehoy no Nepal State Dynamic and Energetic Honorable Chief Minister Pinila Somailo Manpeng Kethenai Honorable Chief Guest Manpeng Alohi Difurio Akahai Lapen Kela Solong na Chetong Don Ile Kamalong Karbiri Chola Rup Singh Ki Kathar Sarpo Rong Arakan Skiba Manpeng Alohi Lapen Kela Chetong Lontho Dotulang Jaka Chopapon Assam Minister Jogen Mohan Pencenglok Bodoland Territorial Council ACM Pencenglok Lapen ke Minister kahai MLA kahai ke doan MP kahai Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council tim Karbi Anglong Klem Rapet IM kahai pidoan MEC kahai pidoan Lapen ke Manpeng Alui ke Papon KCS Ramai Phupen Chenglok dan Acetong Dontho Padmasri Rongbong Terang Pen Chenglok Padmasri Dhoneswari Pen Chenglok Kiri Kamamai Akon Chunbang Dr. Dhorong Singh Teron Pen Chenglok Abarim CEF Dr. Join Dorong Pen Chenglok Horsing Ingti Pen Chenglok Jokson Pen Chenglok Mujarian Se Pen Chenglok Dagna Chetong Don Abarim Chairman Lapen ke Abarim EM MEC ke doan Manpeng Alui ke doan Lapen ke Nili Kaceng Hon Nai Karbi Anglong Arat ke doan Aprang sini lituk tim Karbi Anglong Ahin Pen Mate Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Ahin Pen yang kemapan Indeng Troksikera isi Karbi Anglong District kelong arang ni Katalon long Arong bohong nani pitunan atau muhan Ningak long benang tumphan Suri-suri kaudong na ben kurang rupa jadi lo Don lang lihat dong Karbi Anglong arang ini Mate Karbi Anglong de Katalon Lagi siap pun kemo Ini dong Karbi Anglong District Council Kata kelong cingat awal bang keletong talon pon bong lo sita ini tung Karbi Anglong district kelong padahal tung Karbi Anglong ta eme thang lo rido eme thang lo mikido eme thang jutang jubat do eme thang long tomo do eme thang pindeng sumpot do kujogli laso ini tung bang central government benang pipot Pinian bang bom si tingdeng sok sikera isi anang teng elo non pini penang bang tingdeng sok sikera hinian lo don bang itu isia purke mo aprang atumta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council nang cari bom lo sita lo sohot alang itu umpan ila koi pipe sita katene jang dokok lo sita jadi tum pini matha cingwai si nili Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council tim tumpen cingwai ken sai pe Lapen ke Kiri ka mamaya kon chunbang Dr. Dorom Singh Teron Kai Pen Chenglok Penana Tumpen Budi Soren Pen Pini Dagel Tom Ingdeng Piker Ingdeng Troxiker Aisian ke Talong si Pini Karbiang Long Arab Asor Aphat ini tum district kelong laso abang ke bak yoga cidi letum hai kuni ni bhai ke Troxian ni siletum ningkan Pharisira Poker Aisian ni siletum kelong Don Malia tum Pini laso katalo ni letum Parti Dhorom Chipu Pepin Pen Iletum Laso Parti Laso Dhorom Laso Khai Chipu Pepin Pen Sini Iletum Pini Karbiang Long Day Mate Karbiang Long Arani Iletum District Kelong Ke Katalon Lasi Iletum District Kelong Cengahot Iletum Cekemo Metune Karlitang Iletum Sarsing Teron Langkungabe Karbia Dorbar Amai Fupen Chenglok Akon Junbang Rusem Sonsing Ki Pen Chenglok Songbe Pen Chenglok Penana Bang Fubang Piatum Ke Rejang Ki Pen Chenglok Penana Bang Fubang Piatum Pini La Sopir Te Pen Avero La Sopir Te Langtum Anam Plangelo La Sitoda Betan Intum Cekemo Ala Itu Aphan Je Sini Yang Song Renggong Engli Ki Dolong Jia Phan Hempung Ukrang Pira Singja Phan Arnam Aphan Ahir Jume Jahangno An Susela Leto La Sopir Telong Ave Pen Sini Ngeplang Atuman Hempregamen Pen Pini La Sopir Telong Kavi Atuma Phana Damiletong Alang Tom Phan Arnam Ahir Jume Jahangno Alang Tuma Kharjong Rengdong Rengli Kidolong Jia Phan Hempung Ukrang Pira Singja Phan Letom Arnam Ahai Jahang Iglo An Susela Leto Ningi Sipiat Pen Inting Sipiat Pen Pini Karbiang Long Arat Ketoan Nili, je Dhorom Parti Chipu Pepin Penel Tom Yongsi, Ajil Dinglui Pen Kacheso, Hemprek Kamene Tom, Ningi Sipiat Pen Hang Loblong Te, Ile Tom Hemprek Long Bek Chipu Sinilang Tebat, Waidak Tarsa Penel Tom, Nampak Cini Don Magletum. Today, as we celebrate the 71st Foundation Day of Denvikil Hills District, it gives me great pleasure to welcome in our midst today the Honorable Chief Minister, dynamic and energetic Mr. Ifurio and Mr. TLGLM Chairman and Mr. Misubo Jamil, Minister of Rail Development, and Mr. Asito Jimuini, Honorable MLA and Honorable Minister Jogen Mohan, Minister of Hills Area, Government of Assam, and Honorable Deputy Chief Govinda Chandra Pusamatari, BTR, respected Honorable Guest of Honor Rob Singh Inti Kathar Sarpo, and respected guest Sondra Singh Pro, President PCS, Honorable MP Horan Singh Be, Honorable MLA Bida Singh England, Honorable MLA Rup Singh Teron, Honorable MLA Dor Singh Ronghang, Honorable MLA Bida Singh England, DIG Saitanan Hazarika, and respected Speaker, Deputy Speaker, my colleagues, all honorable executive members, honorable MBCs, ex-CM, ex-chairman, ex-MEC, all invited guests present here, Principal Secretary Karbi Anglong, Deputy Commissioner West Karbi Anglong, East Karbi Anglong, SP West Karbi Anglong, East Karbi Anglong, respected Shakti Kapoor, famous Bollywood actor, and Srimati Sunidhi Chauhan, Bollywood playback singer, and Ritu Rival singer for gracing the Karbi Anglong Day celebration today. We are happy for his able leadership, bringing all-round development and restoring peace in a troubled region in Northeast India. I particularly happy that during his term as Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland, we have not seen any border issues. It is my trust that it will remain so, and that we will have goodwill and peaceful coexistence across the borders. We have no history of enmity. We have always lived alongside as brothers. Let us keep the flame of brotherhood alive, and let us strive to make the lives of our people better by focusing on their development. Today, on Karbi Anglong Day, we salute the architect and founder of Karbi Anglong, Guru Samson Singh Ingti, also called as the father of the Karbi people. After completing his BA degree in the year of 1933, he worked for unification of the people, Karbi people, as a nation, while our country was still under British rule. Because of his untimely death, he could not see the fruition of his dream to unite the Karbi people as a political entity. We also must remember who worked hard for the formation of this state. Sir Singh Theron Langkung Habe, the first president of Karbi Darbar, Samson Singh Ingti being the first general secretary, Dhuram Rompi, Muniram Langne, Joy Singh Doloi, Hor Singh Terang, Songbe, Barelang Terang, and many others who struggled to bring political unity of the Karbi people. It was through the work of those people that we got our identity recognized when India got independent. As we celebrate Karbi Anglong Day, let us pay our respect and tribute to our famous leader, and let us continue strive for the fulfillment of their dream and for the inspiration of the people of Karbi Anglong. There is creation of the autonomous state, long-standing demand. We need autonomous state under Article 244 of Indian Constitution. Because bigger than Goa, Sikkim, even Tripura also, we have geographic boundary 10,434 square kilometers. Karbi Anglong is home to many tribes and communities like Brothers Karbi Dimasa, Kuki Rengma, Garo Polo Tiwa, Khasi Aho, many more. Live together since times immemorial. It is a combination of tribes, culture, language make the Karbi Anglong more unique, colorful and beautiful. I have a vision for Karbi Anglong. I see a vision where Karbi Anglong rise above the circumstances and emerge as an epitome of progress and happiness. This means giving people top priority. I am of the people, by the people, and for the people. I would like to look at the human happiness index to measure our development. I want to see that every citizen in Karbi Anglong is happy. Can we become the happiness people in the world? Together, yes, we can. We need unity, integrity, cooperation. We need to dare to dream big. Thank you. Conclude my speech. Kurang tu,